What if I told you that you don't need a fat salary or lakhs of saving to start investing? Just 5,000. Yes, 5,000 rupees is more than enough to begin building real wealth. In the next few minutes, I'll walk you through the exact step by step process to start your investing journey. No jargon, no fluff. Let's go. Before we get into the how, let's talk about the why. Most people underestimate small amounts, but here's a number that should change your mind. If you invest just 5,000 every month into an index fund, returning 12% annually, in 20 years you will have around 50 lakhs. In 30 years, over 1.76 CR. That's the magic of compounding. Your money earns money, and that money earns more money. Starting small isn't a limitation. Starting late is. So let's get you started. Step 1. Define your goal. Investing without a goal is like driving without a destination. Before you put in a single rupee, ask yourself, what am I investing for? Goals fall into three buckets: short term, medium term, and long term. So, short term is 1 to 3 years away, like a vacation or a new gadget or an emergency buffer. Stay safe here. Medium term is 3 to 7 years, maybe a car, a home down payment, or a wedding. Aim for a balanced growth here. And long term is 7 plus years: retirement, your kids' education, financial freedom. Here, you can take more risks because markets reward patience. The longer your timeline, the more equity you can hold. Step 2. Build a foundation before you invest. This is the part everyone skips, and it's the part that ruins portfolios. Three things first. One, an emergency fund covering 3 to 6 months of your expenses parked in a savings account or a liquid fund. This is your safety net, okay? Two, clear any high interest debt, especially credit cards, charging 30 to 40%. No investment in the world beats that return. Three, get a basic health insurance policy. One hospital bill can wipe out your years of investing. Once these three things are sorted, you're truly ready. Step 3. Open the right accounts. To invest in India, you'll need three things ready. That's your PAN card, Aadhaar card, and a bank account. With these, you can complete your KYC online in about 10 minutes. Next, choose a platform. For mutual funds, apps like Grow, Coin by Zerodha, or Kuvera work great. They are free, they offer direct plans, and they have zero commission. For stocks and ETFs, you'll need a demat and trading account. Zerodha, Upstocks, Angel One are popular choices. Most have zero account opening fees and very low brokerage. Pick one, don't overthink it, you can always switch later. Step 4. Pick the right instruments for your 5,000. Don't get overwhelmed. For a beginner, four options matter most. First, index funds. These track the Nifty 50 or the Sensex and give you instant diversification at extremely low cost. They are my top pick for new investors. Second, mutual funds through SIPs, systematic investment plans. They let you invest in fixed amount every month and automatically. The fund manager does the work for you. Third, ELSS funds. These are equity mutual funds that also save you tax under Section 80C and up to 1.5 lakh rupees a year. They come with a 3-year lock-in time. And fourth, government-backed schemes like PPFs and NPFs. Great for long-term investment and low-risk goals like retirement. As a beginner, please avoid individual stocks, FNO trading, and crypto until you've built a solid base. The hype is loud, but always remember the losses are louder. Here's a simple, no stress way to split your 5,000. 3,000, that's 60% into a Nifty 50 index fund. This is your core engine, capturing broad market growth. Then 1,500, which makes your 30% into a flexi cap mutual fund for diversified exposure across large, mid, and small caps. And rupees 500, which is 10% into a liquid fund as a buffer for short term needs. This isn't financial advice, it's a starting framework. As your income grows, increase the SIP. As you learn more, refine the mix. The goal isn't perfection, it's consistency. Step 5. Automate everything. Set up auto debit from your salary account on the same day every month, ideally a day or two after payday, before you spend. Pay yourself first. Then leave it alone. Check your portfolio once every 3 months, not every day. Watching markets every hour kills good decisions. The market will go up, the market will go down. Your job is to keep investing through both. Investors who stayed put through 2008 and 2020 didn't just recover, they got rich. Quick warning, avoid these four mistakes. 1. Chasing last year's top funds. Past performance rarely repeats. 2. Stopping over SIPs when markets crash. That's exactly when you should be going. You're buying more units at a discount. 3. Investing without an emergency fund. The first downturn will force you to sell at a loss. And 4. Ignoring expense ratios. Even 1% extra per year quietly eats lakhs over decades. Consistency beats cleverness, and every single time. So that's it. The biggest mistake isn't picking the wrong fund, it's waiting. Open the app today, complete your KYC, and start your first SIP. Future you will thank present you. If this helped, hit the like and subscribe and drop a comment with your first investment goal. I read everyone. See you in the next one.